Big news coming in for unlisted market investors. The National Stock Exchange of India, one of the most awaited IPOs in the country, is back in action. Let's begin with the major regulatory update. As per NSE's latest notification dated March 21, 2025, the International Securities Identification Number or ISIN of NSE has been unfrozen and will be activated for transfers starting Monday, March 24, 2025. Earlier, shares could only be transferred using the Stage 1 and Stage 2 approval-based system or through corporate action. This process was time-consuming, lacked transparency, and required significant documentation. But now that's changing. Transfers will happen smoothly via the Delivery Instruction Slip (DIS) mechanism through the Central Depository Services (CDSL), which has been officially appointed as the designated depository by NSE. This means no more Stage 1 and 2 bottlenecks, no more dependency on corporate action, quick, direct, and seamless transfers via DIS. Within days of this circular, trading volumes in NSE pre-IPO shares have spiked. Why? Because the easier transfer mechanism has restored investor confidence. The result? More buyers, more sellers, and a more active counter on the unlisted market. And here is the icing on the cake. SEBI chairperson recently remarked that they are closely reviewing the pending matters related to the NSE IPO, and a comprehensive evaluation will soon be done to decide the path ahead. That's a clear signal that the long-awaited IPO of India's largest exchange could finally gather momentum. If you are an investor, this could be the right time to relook at NSE pre-IPO shares. But always do your due diligence. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more such pre-IPO updates from India's leading secondary market platform.